a nice week's low dip by last week, just beautiful reversal over 200. SMH is reversing. This is one of my favorites this morning. We could get a nice long at the open. I hate that it's already, ripping into pre-market highs. So there's only really two setups here for me to pull back into 208.70. Okay, so if we can get this pullback, which is highly unlikely, we've got pre-market lows at 209. We got, the PCH down here in the calculated level at 208.70. It's highly unlikely we're going to get this. So it's probably more along the lines of we need to break pre-market highs first, get over 211, give me a setup over that, and or a quick flush. But I'm going to be watching this, get back over 690. I'll be interested 700, and I might be interested in trading this long, right? Or pull back into 680. Maybe the same thing. I have minute 9 right here, 3,200, 3203. Beautiful. I mean, if we get, it's pulling back too right now. If we could get that pullback into 3203, absolutely gorgeous, right? These are my two things. Let this 5-minute candle close, or if I can get a pullback here in the first 2 minutes, if I can get another pullback now, I'm taking this baby. Come on. I got one strike, half size here. At least got me something going. So that was the only chance I saw for a good pullback. Now, if we pull all the way back to 209, I'm going to get a combo and add some size to that. We'll take some profits here. Just got a little over $1.50 on those. This 5-minute candle close, taking profits, got a nice move. Now, if we get a pullback into a PCH in the pre-market highs, I can get all those back and then some, right? You can get a combo on here. Oh, there's a nice payday. NVIDIA's getting the move I was looking for. I've already taken profits, got my stop in flat. Oh man, 680.30 was the PCH, and it pulled into 680.75. Oh yeah. That is right perfect in the trigger range even, man. Amazon was a great trade off that reversal too. Look at that 5-minute reversal. 1, 2, 3, and then boom, just freaking gone.